Right, so I'm pretty much going to show you how to clean a moldy shower or a bathroom without using anything expensive. Mold, condensation, or grime builds up in bathrooms that are not well ventilated, that haven't got, like a proper extraction, build up where you've got leaky toilets, sinks, and plumbing pipes, okay? Or where you might have damp, cellulose materials. Another cause of mold buildup, that's, overlooked, is the type of sealant that has been used to seal your bathroom. And also how the bathroom was sealed to prevent leaks that, could be a catalyst for mold growth. You might have grime in between the tiles or, mold that, that's pretty much sat on the roof sometimes. And using a low grade quality sealant could increase the propensity of mold growth. And if your bathroom is not properly sealed, and you use the wrong type of sealant, that could aggravate, leaks pretty quickly. And so, if you want to see how to seal your bath and the type of sealant to use, click on the link in the description, and that should take you to the video. The inexpensive method that I will be using here is just thick bleach from your regular store, okay? Just make sure that you don't cut the nozzle of the thick bleach too large. You just need like a tiny aperture, at the roof of the mouth of the bleach. So run the bleach through the line of travel of the sealant, the whole perimeter, of the bath, okay? And through visual inspection, wherever you find mold growth or grime, just run the thick bleach over the mold or the grime, okay, and let it simmer, let it sit in there, let it marinate the mold. Make sure that when you're using bleach, you use your face mask, to protect your lungs, okay. Don't sit there whilst you're running the bleach. Just run the bleach as quickly as you can, exit the bathroom and lock the door, or open the window so that the gaseous fumes can escape from the bleach. I haven't got a moldy bathroom or a grimy bathroom, but I'm just pretty much showing you how I get to keep mine clean, okay? Those of you that may have like a Roman blind in your bathroom, just pretty much make sure that your bathroom is well ventilated. And when you're having a shower, don't save up on electricity by turning up the extractor. Turn on the extractor to get steam out of your bath or shower, okay? Roman blinds are culprit for accumulating mold or grime. So make sure that you're rolling the mechanism of the Roman blind and get like bleach in really diluted water and give it a good clean from time to time, okay? Don't use too much bleach when you're changing fabric or your Roman blind. Dilute the bleach so that it doesn't stain your blinds permanently. But you do not need to dilute the bleach when you're running the bleach over and sealant, okay? And make sure that when you're done with having your bath, that you wipe out the excess water that's just sat in front of the sealant there. As the less damp your bathroom is, the less mold you'd get. And if you've got like water sitting just right before the sealant, in my opinion, it means that the sealing job was done properly. But if you're just having your bath all the time and no water sits on the sides, though, it means that you've got tiny amounts of water that may be seeping through the sealant. It's not in every occasion, but sometimes you do get it. And pretty much where you've applied the bleach, get a scrubbing brush and give your bath a good scrub, because sometimes it's not enough, the bleach isn't enough to get the stains out, so you need to apply some effort to get the bleach out. So but majority of the time, once you've applied bleach, you can literally see the grime coming off, okay? And so in areas like this, where you've got bathroom stains, get your bleach on there, let it seep through, then, get your scrubbing brush and, scrub the stains off, But make sure that whilst you're doing this, you're wearing your face mask and you give it time to seep through, okay? And wear your gloves if you've got sensitive skin. And here I have got the Sealant Bang Power Remover. It's a black mold remover. This remover can be used on your walls and on your roof where you've got mold build up. All you need to do is just spray it on the mold and wait for it to seep in, and after some time you wipe it clean down. But if the mold is ingrained or quite pervasive, what I tend to do is, get some bleach, dilute it in water, get a damp rag, and just first wipe off, the mold before I start, applying, the bleach. I tend to use bleach because the active ingredient is sodium hypochlorite. It pretty much inhibits or denatures protein in microorganisms. Suffice to say, the effectivity is about 99.9%. It's effective in killing bacteria, fungus, and viruses, and it is cost effective. So you can eliminate mold from grout and sanitize the tiles in your bathroom by mixing a solution of equal parts of chlorine, bleach, and water. Or you can use half a cup of vinegar and 1 gallon of water. So I would advocate that you use one or the other, because using a combination of bleach and vinegar is quite powerful. It's a powerful chemical. It will kill, if not remove, the mold growth in specific areas. The flip side is that mixing bleach and vinegar creates a potentially lethal chlorine gas. And so if you notice a pungent smell after mixing, your household cleaners, you should immediately leave the area and try to breathe in fresh air. And also using vinegar, dishwasher tablets, and bleach has also been effective in cleaning, your car belts. You can, look at the link in the description. As some of you have requested videos in the past on how to properly clean your seat belt and how to install the bathroom sealant. And so you can click on the link in the video description to see how you can clean your car seat belts with, the mixture of the solution, and also how to, install the appropriate sealant, and how to, properly seal your bath. Just click on the link in the description. It should take you to the videos. And that's about it, really. If you found the information in this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Helps the channel grow. And hopefully catch up with you soon as I've got more upcoming videos. Goodbye.